So do you want to tell us why you're at the walk? Either of you?
Yeah, to support the animals, stop factory farming completely, raise awareness about the plight of the animals in the jails, and that's about it.
And I want to out the cow happy like me today.
Yeah, happy cow.
Can you tell us why you're here today?
To raise awareness about the horrors and the torture that goes on in the food animal industry.
Great.
So hopefully people will learn about it and do something about it.
Are you ready to go? Hey! Ho! Compassionate people of Vancouver, let me hear you! 2010 Walk for Animals, thank you! Hey, hey, ho, ho! Factory farming has to go! Hey, hey, ho, ho! Factory farming has to go! Hey, hey, ho, ho! Factory farming has to go! Hey, hey, ho, ho! Factory farming has to go! Factory farming